All right, so today, 4th August, we have received the email or there is a clarification mentioned on the CF Institute about the changes in the exam dates. So let's go focus on the changes in the exam dates and then going to focus on the change in the exam pattern. So pattern would be discuss. Okay, let me discuss the pattern first. So December 20 is going to be the last exam. December 20 is going to be the last exam where they're going to take your exam in the paper pencil format. So December 20, after that, the exam would be conducted for level 1 also and level 2 and level 3 also in the computer-based format. For level 1, they had already mentioned that they're going to make it into computer-based format. And they had also mentioned the timelines and the time frame also. Level 2, level 3, they're going to take it computer-based after December 20. But the format, etc., they have not given them much clarity about it. But they have mentioned that the exam is going to be 4.5 hours only. For level 1, they had mentioned 240 questions will go down to 180 questions. So if I follow that approach, then level 2 might have 90 questions. I'm saying might have, they have not clarified this. Level 2 might have 90 questions and level 3 might have 45 questions which are objective and maybe 45 questions subjective. Level 3, you will have to type the answers most probably. Right at this point, they have not clarified. So level 3 subjective paper would also be taken online. So there you may have to type the answer. I'm saying may have to type the answer. They have mentioned there's no change in the subjects. There are no changes in the exam, the exam weightages. So there's no change in the syllabus, no weightage change. Exam will not be made more difficult. Exam will not be made more easy. Scoring, etc. There's no change. So with that assumption, I'll assume that level 3 morning paper is going to be subjective. Paper is going to be conducted digitally only, and they're going to require you to type down the answer. But I really believe that they are not going to so much test you keep this typing speed jada, he will get a credit. Nothing like that, I believe. So don't worry about, especially level 3 guys, do not worry about that do you have to type answers. You will have to write the answers, but ठीक है यार, normal जो typing होता है वैसे ही होगा. So don't worry about the level 3 guys. Don't worry about the typing of the answers वाला part. All right. And level 1 and level 2 guys, they have level 1 guys, you to have no problem because you were already knowing about this pattern is going to happen. Level 2 guys, do not panic about it. Mostly it's going to be now 90 questions because now exam duration would be 4.5 hours. So it's going to be mostly 90 questions. So actually, thoda sa element of luck is going to be more now because you know the syllabus of level 2 is so vast. If it is 90 questions, I really am not so fan of lesser number of questions being tested. So basically, I would have preferred to have it like a lengthier exam, but with more question tested. So anyways, 120 was lesser questions for level 2. Now that is, with the 4.5 hours, I think they're going to reduce it down to 90. But again, shouldn't be bothering us so much because if it is for me, then it's for everyone also. All right. So same level 3 guys, do not worry about typing of the answers. If it is for me, it is for everyone also. Alright, so do not panic about changing the exam pattern that do I have to type the answers for level 3 guys. Don't worry about it. And you will be still using your calculator. They mentioned that there you are not going to be doing the calculation on the Excel. So do I need to know the formula, sum if, concatenate? Nothing. You will be given your calculator and they also clarified you will be given rough paper also. So you will be given rough paper, you will be given calculator and exam duration now will be 4.5 hours. But before 4.5 hours will be some 35 minutes of nonsense. That is 35 minutes of pledge that I, Rajaram Kamath, जो भी बोलूंगा सच बोलूंगा, that kind of pledge will be there for first 35 minutes. And then 2.25 hours paper 1 and then 2.25 hours paper 2. If you want, there is a 30 minutes of break, which obviously everyone would take the 30 minutes of break. This is a non-mandatory. So if I take the 30 minutes of break, then the total exam is going to be 35 minutes. Let's call it 30 minutes only, half an hour. Then 2.25, then another 30 minutes, and then again 2.25. So it's approximately going to be 5 hour, 30 minutes exam. All right, with that 35 minutes of pledge wala nonsense, then 2.25 hours of paper, 30 minutes of break, which I believe everyone would take. I mean, 2.25 hours, ask about who will be want to take it directly again another 2.25. But if you want, you can take that. And then another 30 minutes, another 2.25 hours, and then tata bye bye to the exam center. The exam will not happen on one day. There will be a slot that will be happening for like February. They mentioned the slot as 23rd February to I think 27th or 28th February. So exam is going to happen in the slot, and mostly Prometric centers would be used, and they would clarify which centers will be used. So the logic over here is sane logic that because of the corona, they do not want all the candidates to come on one day at one center and create a kind of not so good health situation. So that's a same logic that CF Institute has applied. But I'm personally against the digital format of the exam. That's my personal opinion. But okay, I'll reserve my personal opinion. But I was always of the opinion that CFA exam should happen on one day where all students could gather. I know during the situation of Corona, it is not the right thing. But in normal situations, I wouldn't want this exam to be conducted like a CAT exam or a GMAT exam. Ki kabhi bhi aao, kabhi bhi le aao. I am not I wouldn't want that format. But anyways, my personal opinion doesn't count. The exam is happening digitally from December 20 onwards. So that was about the change in the exam pattern. I believe I have clarified that you will have to type the answers in case you are level 3. Calculator would be allowed, rough paper would be allowed. If you have any questions regarding the change in the exam pattern, I repeat, change in the exam pattern, not the dates. If you are changing the exam pattern question, raise hand, I'll allow you to speak. Change in the exam pattern from paper-based to digital is happening after December 20 only. If you have questions related to the change in the exam pattern from paper-based to digital, raise hand. So Jinil, please ask your question. Jinil, your raise hand, please ask your question.
Hello.
Yeah, Jinil, please quickly.
Yeah, like I have one question. Like, since there will be lesser questions, then wouldn't it be a little bit tougher than?
No, it won't be tougher. It won't be tougher. Just that the element of luck would be more. It's not going to be that they're going to make 90 questions tougher, because the time per question is still same, because it used to be 240 questions split over 6 hours. Now it's going to be 180 questions split over 4.5 hours. So the difficulty level of the exam is still going to be maintained, but just the syllabus is so huge that 240 questions itself were lesser for level 1. For level 2, syllabus is more huge, so 120 questions were lesser. So now 120 being taken to 90 or 240 being taken to 180.
And sir, for level 2,
luck becomes more. Exam doesn't become tougher. If you study everything, then luck ke liye there's nothing left.
And for level 2, would it be tougher? Or
120 ke jagah 90 questions should be there for level 2, and hence the luck element would be more. Exam is not going to be tougher if you study everything. So if you leave some part, then there could be more luck element with only 90 questions being there in level 2 and only 180 questions being there in level 1.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Hope that clarifies. DJ, do you want a question regarding the exam change? Not the dates. I'm not taking dates change right now.
So what do you mean by luck element present?
Luck element, I told you, 56 readings. And if I study only 50 readings, 6 readings I don't study. So in that case, agar wo 50 reading ke upar hi pure 180 questions aate hain, then I'm lucky. Or 6 readings ke upar agar 180 questions aate hain, then I'm unlucky. So with lesser number of questions, then all concepts cannot be tested, and hence the concepts which are being tested, I'm thorough with that, then I'm lucky. And the concepts which are being tested, I'm not thorough with that, then I'm unlucky. So with lesser number of questions, the element of luck is little higher. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Rujuta, yeah, please let me know your question.
Yes, sir. So for December 2020 level 1, will the question number of questions remain same or not?
Yes, for level 1, December 20 is 240 questions. For level 2, December 20 is still 120 questions. And for level 3, it's going to be same subjective paper in the morning and 60 objective questions in the afternoon.
Okay, so then is it better to give level 1 in December?
I'll explain it. I'm just taking the question on the change in the from the paper to digital.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So I believe there is no one. All the questions regarding the change in the exam structure got changed. Got solved. Shreyans has a question. All right, Shreyans, please ask.
So what about February 21 level 1?
I'm going to explain that. Are you clear with the change to digital format? I'm taking only questions of change to the digital format right now. I'm not taking the questions of the dates right now, changing the dates.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Soumya.
Okay, so I wanted to ask that, so for level 3 December, you said it's still subjective in the morning and objective in the evening. So from 2021, is the subjective part getting removed?
No, it's there. Subjective part is going to be there.
As of
now, level 3, they are not clarified, but I believe subjective part is going to be there and you have to type the answers.
Okay, fine.
All right. So let me now go ahead. Dishan, do you still have a question? No. Okay, fine. So let me go ahead with part by parts now. So let me go ahead with part by parts. So first I'm taking the questions of, the parts related to this one. Level 1 re-registered students of June 20 who have themselves registered for December 20. So raise hand please if you belong to this category, that you were June 20 level 1 student and you have re-registered yourself to December 20, either Mumbai Center or Pune Center, doesn't matter. All right, so for this guys, understand, for this guys, you have an option to go ahead with level 1 December 20 as it is. So you can take level 1 December 20 as it is. So continue preparation as it is, no change in your preparation as it is. You can go ahead with this, then take your level 2 in May 21. And sir, is that possible? Now it has become even more tougher. Understand, earlier it was level 2 June 21. So you had a little bit more time. So now it has become even more tougher. So I wouldn't actually recommend to go for level 2 May 21. I will recommend you to take level 2 in August 21. So that's another thing. But if you want, you can try for level 2 May 21. Agar nahi ho raha, then you can go for level 2 August 21. If you take a level 2 in May 21, then you can take level 3 in November 21. And if you take level 2 in August 21, level 3 happens now, I think, in the May 22. So something in 2022, which I'll clarify which date in 2022. So basically, if you take a level 2 in August 21, then level 3 would be, I think, February 22. I don't think so February, it will be in May 22. So this date of 2022, I'll clarify. So these are the two options that you have. So if you go for level 1 December 20, you can go for level in December 20. I believe you're doing great. You already were doing great. I hope so for June 20. So now you can take level in December 20, then go for level 2 with either May 21 or August 21, one of this date. So August 21 will be safer for you because it gives you a little more time, because December to June itself was a very challenging to prepare for level 2. Now with May, it becomes even more challenging. So safer would be August 21, but some of you may go for a very challenging life. So they want to take this and they would be able to take level 3 November 21 also. So your CFA course gets over in the 2021. But if nahi karna aisa challenging life, then it's better, I would believe, that you to take level 2 in August 21 and then take level 3 in 2022. I think that would be May 2022, but I'll clarify later on. Abhi mujhe date exactly yaad nahi aa raha. All right. So second option that you have, if you were already re-registered for level 1 December 20, the second option that you have is that you can change from level 1 December 20 to any of the exam of 2021. But obviously you don't want to postpone it too late. So you can take level 1 in February 21. Then you can take level 2 in August 21. And then level 3 in the 2022. So in case you want to change from level 1 December to level 1 February, it's absolutely advisable. In case you feel कि वो corona वाला है problem, तो ये कर सकते हो. But इसके लिए the date is October 20. Your time till October 20 to think about whether you want to shift from December 20 to February 21 or not. All right. So that's what I'm saying. There's nothing that you need to worry right now. You have to keep on studying. Look at the situation in around first week of October and then take a call whether you want to take a level 1 in December 20 and give yourself a little bit more time to prepare for this tougher level. Or you want to in case the corona becomes really, really bad, then you may consider taking a level 1 in February 21 and then take a level 2 in August 21 with a little lesser time for preparation of level 2. And then level 3 in 2022. So that is not consideration right now. If you decide to take level on May 21, I wouldn't advise this, but if you decide to take a level on May 21, then your level 2 of August 21 is not allowed. Level 2 to May 21 nahi hoga because you're taking level on May 21. So your level 2 will be in 2022. And then level 3, 6 months after that. So level 3 can also be there in 2022. So I wouldn't advise this option for a level 1 December 20 re-registered guy. So I repeat, level 1 December 20 re-registered guys. That means those who were registered for June 20, now you have re-registered for December. Continue preparation for December 20 as it is. If you think till 20th October that situation is really becoming worse, then you may consider to re-register yourself for February 21 exam. In case you believe, no, it's fine, then I'll take a level 1 December 20 paper-based exam. and then give myself a little more time to either prepare for level 2 May 21 or level 2 August 21. If you take a level 1 February 21, then level 2 May 21 is not allowed. You have to take level 2 August 21 only, and level 3 in the next year 2022. Any questions on this? Please raise hand. I'm talking about level 1 June 20 guys who have re-registered for December. If you have not re-registered, please do not raise hand. If you're not re-registered, I'm going to talk about it in a while. Raise hand in case you have queries related to level 1 June 20, re-registered to level 1 December 20. Atharva, please let me know your question.
Hello.
Atharva.
If at all the December level 1 gets cancelled, will I be able to defer it to Feb? Like, will it be confirmed that I'll be able?
Possibility is key centers may not be available. That possibility is still there, and
Yeah.
that possibility will be there. If you wait and if you do not go for February 21 right now only, then there's a possibility of centers getting full, etc. But
because say for example, it gets cancelled after the October 20 deadline.
So that risk is there. So we have time till 20th October, but in that time it may happen that February 21 ke few centers may get over. But you can have a lot of centers. I mean, understand that February 21 mein agar Corona is less intense, then I can move across the centers. I mean, in Mumbai only there will be a lot of centers, and the exam is going to happen over a lot of period of time. So I don't really think that you should worry about February 21 exam locations, exam centers getting exhausted.
Okay. Another question is, if I give it in February 21, say my L1 in February 21, will it be less time to prepare for L2 if I do that and
2 months lesser, right? 2 months
in
lesser.
August?
Because level 1 December is happening in the first week of August.
And level
1 February is happening in the last week of February, so you have lesser time to prepare for August 21.
Yeah, so like are 4 months enough for L2?
I said always you have to start after your level 1 exam, not after your level 1 result. So March, April, May, June, July, 5 months. And maybe August last month, maybe 5.5 months. And right now also you can start preparing for level 2 if you're going to plan to level 1 in February. Start preparing your
Okay.
Does that answer?
Yeah.
Khushbu, please speak. Ask your question, please. Khushbu, can you hear me? You can ask your question, Khushbu. All right. Pooja Karkera. I'm sorry, just a second. Pooja, do you have a question? Pooja Karkera. Okay, Hriday, please ask your question. Quickly, guys.
Sir, I have two questions. The first one being, so what are the chances of Mumbai Center coming back for December 21 or December 20 exam?
No idea. I have no idea with that. Kolkata has come back, but I don't know whether the Mumbai is going to come back or not.
Okay, sir. So the second one being, so the earlier deadline for re-registering for December 20 was somewhere in September. So now has it been prepared to August 19?
It's taken to 19th August. I'm going to answer that.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Most welcome. Hriday, I think I spoke to you. Shrey, please speak.
Hi, sir. Actually, I wanted to ask you if we have been deferred from June to December 2020 and we plan to give level 2 in August. So till when can we register after the result?
So they will give a time. So right now we don't have information about that, but they will give sufficient time after you clear your level 1 February. Then you will be given sufficient time to register for August 21.
Okay. Level 1 December. So
level 1
December
so they will give it a good time to register for the August 21.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Shrey, you want to speak?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you. Swati, please ask a question.
Hi. Is there any chance that this December exam that we have registered will get cancelled or postponed?
I can't say so. That would be my guess. So I don't know. So at this point, we can say that exam is happening.
Okay.
So we have to wait and see. So we have time till 20th October for that to wait and see.
Okay, because I've already registered for December Mumbai location. I just hope it does not get postponed because
Fingers crossed. Let's see.
Yeah. If the situation is bad, then it will we be again allowed to go for Feb 21?
Yes, 20th October. In case you do not take February 21 and the exam gets cancelled, you do not re-register for February 21 and exam gets cancelled, then you will be either given a refund. They mentioned that you will be either given a refund or you would be asked to shift to maybe May 21 or February 21 if February 21 is still open at that time.
Oh shit, means they don't have a Feb 21 option just in case it gets cancelled.
So yeah, they could be. They at December 20 exam gets cancelled. Maybe they would announce it that around like mid of November maybe. So at that time you can you may be still allowed to register for February 21.
Okay.
Or you will be given refund. They have mentioned now if the second time if the exam is not happening, then you'll be given refund.
Oh shit. No.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Soumya, you have a question? So yeah, Soumya.
So you are saying that if I opt to change my center now from like I selected Bangalore, if I opt to change my center, you're saying Mumbai will not show up right now.
No, now that they are
but you're saying Mumbai.
But Mumbai is not allowed now. I mean, this is not there right now.
Okay, yeah, Mumbai is not there. No? Okay.
As of now, it's not there.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, Twinkle. Twinkle. Yeah.
Sir, so what will you suggest if December 20 ke liye shall we, I mean, I have paid and the exam fees, everything is paid. So will you say that I should probably take Feb 21 exam and, wait for the announcement, because you are saying that there will be a possibility ki I will have to take exam in May 21 for level 1. So what will be your...
I said you continue to prepare for your level 1, December 20 or February 21 doesn't matter. I said you continue to prepare for level 1 and watch for the situation. If the situation is becoming better, it's better to take level 1 in December 20 and give yourself more time to prepare for level 2. And if situation is becoming worse, then it's better to go for level 1 February 21.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. All right, Shivani, please ask your question.
Hello, sir. I have re-registered for December 2020, and if I am planning for August 2021 for level 2, so I mean results will be out.
Yes,
in Jan.
Soon. You will be able to register.
Yeah, Jan last week.
Yeah.
So we will be in the early timeline or for standard.
I have no idea with that. At this point, they have not clarified with that the fees as well as the timelines are not clarified with that. So we'll have to wait till around 19th of August when they are going to clarify that.
Okay, sir. And if we are in the standard, then we can write an email to them, right? So because of...
Yes.
Yeah, because we were forcefully deferred to...
But that was for June 21. Now August 21... Now there's a little bit of drama over here because you can take December 20 exam and maybe that you could be in the early for level 2 August 21. But if you take February 21, it could be that you might be in the regular. So let's wait for the timeline to come and then we'll write a mail to CF Institute. Let's not write a mail to CF Institute about that forceful wala thing which I had mentioned earlier. So let's not write that mail. Let's wait because it could happen that after taking December 21, then you might be in the early bird for level 2 August 21. And it might happen that after you take level 1 February 21, you might be in the regular timeline. So at this point of time, there is no clarity with respect to timeline. So let's hold on for that.
Okay, so it's best to just stay calm, right now.
Let's wait for 15 more days. They will give us a timeline and then let's shoot the email to CF Institute about ethics. Let's see if it should.
Yeah. Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
I hope everyone was clear with what Shivani was asking. She was asking that for level 2 August 21, whether we will be in the early timeline or not. So at this point of time, we do not have the information about the timelines for the level 2 August 21. All right. Sunny, please ask your question.
Yes, sir. So for us, June 2022 level 1, December 2020 students, we have re-registered once. Hello, can you?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah. So for us, June to December 2020 level 1 students who have re-registered once, so we have the option to re-register again for December 2020. Right?
So if you're already re-registered for December 20, you don't have to do anything right now. If you want to make it February 21, then you can make it right now. So for December 20, you don't have to do anything right now.
So we have the option to register for December. February 2021, right?
If you
don't want to take December, we are not prepared.
If you want to take it February 21, you have time till October 28 to do that.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. Yeah, Dishant.
So I have registered for February 21.
February 21, I'll take it in a while. Fresh registration, I'll take it in a while. I'm just talking about re-registrations right now. I'll take your questions in a while. I'm talking about re-registration from June to December right now.
So sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. I'll take your questions in a while. All right, so this I hope clarifies the this wala part, the level 1 re-registered from June 20 to December 20. I hope this clarifies. 20th October is a time. October 20 is a time. In case you want to shift from the December 20 to February 21, this is the time that you should be looking for. Next one are the level 2 re-registered students to December 20. Level 2 June 20 to level 2 December 20. Raise hand, please. Anyone here with level 2 June 20 re-registered to December 20? All right, around quite a few. So you guys can continue to take level 2 December 20. If you want to take level 2 December 20, you don't need to do anything right now. I repeat, if you have already re-registered for December 20, you don't need to do anything right now. Or you have an option to take level 2 in May 21, or you have an option to take level 2 in August 21. All right, so these are the three options: option 1, option 2, and option 3. If I go with option 1, level 2 December 21, level 2 December 20, then I can take level 3 in May 21, or I can take level 3 in November 21. Both options are very fine. December 20 to May 21 level 3 ke liye, it's a sufficient time. But if you believe that there are some personal commitment, then you can take level 3 in November 21. So this is completely fine. If you want, you can take a May 21 level 3 also. This is possible, very well possible. If the situation is becoming quite bad from the corona perspective, then you have time up to October 20th to go for option 2 or option 3. So you can take a level 2 in May 21, and if you do that, then your level 3, you can take it in November 21. And again, as I said earlier, 6 months is a good enough time to prepare for level 3. And if you want to take a level 2 in August 21, I don't know, maybe some of you may want to take it in case of some personal commitment, etc. Then your level 3 would be in 2022. Date I'm not able to recollect in mind because 2022 ka or 2021 ka thoda sa alag hai. So this is what the options that you have in your options that you have in front of you. So any doubts that you want to ask me, please raise hand. I'm just lowering all the hands right now. Just again, just for a minute, I'm just lowering all the hands. So now please raise hand if you want to ask any questions regarding these options. Yes, Sandeep, please let me know your question. Sandeep, please let me know your question.
Hello.
Yeah, Sandeep.
Sir, if suppose in December 2020, if we clear the exam, and for the May 21, if we want to register for level 3, so whether as actually I was listening the that level that question previously asked by yes. For the whether that early bird discount.
Right now we don't have clarity. Right now we don't have clarity, Sandeep. Ki level 3 May 21 ke liye, whether you will be allowed early or not, we do not have a clarity. So let's get the timelines after maybe 15 days, and then we'll have a clarity.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Anyone else from this category wants to ask any question? Yeah, Rishabh, please let me know your question. I'm sorry, not Rishabh. Sorry, just a second. So sorry. Yeah, Kunal, please ask me your question. Kunal, do you want to ask? No, right? So it's clarified. So I assume that level 2 ke liye it has been clarified. Kunal, you want to ask? I'm trying to allow you to talk, but I think you're not able to speak. Okay, you can get it back to, okay, yeah, Kunal.
Hello.
Yeah, Kunal, we can hear you.
So I've already registered for level 2 in December. So can I postpone it to 2021?
Yeah, as I said, option 2 and option 3 on the screen.
No, I've just now joined the meeting,
Okay,
so I don't know the
option 2 and option 3. You can re-register for May 21 and November 21. Oh, sorry, May 21 and August 21. One of that.
Okay.
So just do see the video recording of this part. I'll send it to you separately for this.
Okay. Thank you.
Right? Yeah. You can see the level 3 wala parts. You'll get clarity. But yeah, you are allowed to re-register, and your time till October 20th for that.
I want to repeat my question. See, I've already registered for the December 20 level 2.
Yeah.
And now I want to postpone it to 21.
Yeah, you can do that. Your time till October 28 to take level 2 in May 21 or level 2 in August 21.
All right. Thank you.
You can postpone it to level 2 May 21 or level 2 in August 21. And can you see the screen? If you take level 2 May 21, you can take level 3 in November 21.
Okay.
Just see the screen. Clear?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Rujita, please ask.
Sir, actually, when you are already registered for December 20, you can't take the registration again for next year, right?
You can. They have changed it right now. So earlier they had said that they are not going to allow. They have changed it right now.
Okay, so you can
Yes,
postpone it.
you can rebook for level 2 May 21 or level 2 August 20. They have changed right now. What you were saying is right earlier. They had a policy that we are not going to allow a change of the exam dates, but they have changed right now.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Most welcome. Yashvi, I think you are fresh registration, so I think you were not re-registered. So I'm not taking a question right now. Karan, please ask your question. I'm saying I'm going to take specific question to that category right now. Yeah, Karan. Please ask your question, Karan.
So the decision by the CFA Institute as to whether they're going to conduct the exams in December because of the situation right now, they will notify us before October of this year, right?
20th October, I believe, is a safe enough time. So, if exam cancel bhi hona hai December ka, so it will be cancelled before 20th October only.
Okay, sir.
So 20th October it's a long time that in case the exam has to be cancelled, they will be cancelling it way before 20th October. So you will have automatically you have to reshuffle to February 21 in case the exam get cancelled.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Sorry, not February, May 21 or August 21 for level 2.
Okay.
All right, but at this point, continue your preparations. Do not, I mean, for this category, again, I would say continue your preparation. Try to go for the first option only. I would believe that would be the safest option to take level 2 in December 20. This one, just a second, let me highlight it. For this category, I believe this is the safest option, level 2 in December 20, level 3 in May 21. So this would be the best option for you guys. I believe in 6 months, it's very well possible to clear level 3. Unless agar Corona forcefully makes it, then only go for option 2 or option 3 is worst, I would say. But go for option 2 only and only if the Corona is quite becoming intense. All right, so that I hope clarifies. No doubts, I believe. Good. Now level 3 re-registered guys from June 20 to December 20, raise and please, how many are level 3 re-registered guys? Good, quite a few numbers. So level 3 registered guys, again, it's your final exam and there's so much drama after I'm in the final exam, I know. So level 3 December 20, earlier it was level 3 June 20, now it's level 3 December 20. You can take it in level 3 December 20 and the course will be over. Or if you want, then you can shift it to level 3 May 21 or you can shift it to level 3 November 21. So that's a real blessing actually for some of you in case you have personal reasons to shift. Otherwise, it was not allowed. So for any personal reasons, if you want, you can shift it to level 3 May 21 or level 3 November 21. Obviously, there's no level 4. So you can take it whenever you want. So I believe this is the simplest thing that you could do. And for May 21 and November 21, the last date to choose is October 20th. All right. Any questions, guys? Level 3 re-registered guys. Any questions? Please raise hand. Others, please lower the hands. Yeah, Megha, please ask your question. Megha, you have a question? Please ask. Megha, can you hear me? I believe no. Niyati, please ask your question.
So my question is, what do you think is the safe bet here? Take the December 20 exam and then if we don't clear, go to 21 or wait till 21 and then just give the exam at that time?
Safe bet would be to study really hard for level 3 December 20 and pray and hope that the level 3 December 20 happens And if it doesn't happen, then take level 3 in May 21.
So studying really hard, praying as well, but it's just the coronavirus is a bit scary.
4th of August, we cannot know whether the December 20 exam is going to happen or not. So what we can do right now is 2 things: study very hard and pray very hard, so that Corona gets over, and we can take level 3 December 20 and finish the course a little faster. So
yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I would believe level 3 December 20 continue with that.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Rakesh, please ask your question. Rakesh, can you?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So my thing is, if we register now, okay, and you're not sure, you have the option of, deciding by.
You have already registered for December 20, right? Level 3 December 20.
No, I'm not. I was waiting till September to be sure.
Okay, so hold on. Yeah. I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to come back to you because this is only for this category. I'm going to come back to you. All right. So I believe no questions on this front. Now the next 3 are level 1 registered students for February 21. Re-registered students, re-registered, not fresh registration. So level 1 June 20 guys who had registered for February 21. I believe very few of you would have done that. Or level 2 re-registered guys for June 21, or level 3 re-registered guys for June 21. I repeat, this is all re-registrations. So those who had taken June 20, those who had opted for June 20 and couldn't take that, they have re-registered for February 21. Anyone over here who are re-registered for February 21, raise hand please. I believe none of you would have done that. Okay, few of you have done that. I don't know what was the reason. There could be some personal reason because of that you would have done that. But anyways, few of you have done that. So if you want, you can make it from February 21, you can make it to December 20. If you want, from February 21, you can make it to December 20. And for this, the date is August 19th. If you want to change your February 21 to December 20, for some reasons, you are gone for February 21 and now you have changed your mind and you want to take a December 20 again. Please keep in mind, Mumbai is not right now not available. But if you're okay with Pune and if you want to take December 20, then you have time to August 19 to do that. Same goes with this guys, level 2 re-registered June 21 guys and level 3 registered June 21 guys. If you want, you can take the level 2 December 20, or this guys can take level 3 in December 20. And if you want to do that, the last date would be August 19 to do that. All right. Those who are in these categories, 3 categories, raise hand please. I want to see how many of you are in these categories. All right, not many, but yeah, I mean, handful of you are there in this category. If you have any questions on this, let me know. But the date that you need to keep in mind to shift away from the June 21 or February 21 to December 20 is August 19. If you want to shift away from June 21, just a second, guys. If you want to shift away from June 21 to, let's say, August 21, for level 2, August 21, you can take time. There is time up to October 20th for this. All right, I'm just saying June 21 to December 20. If you want to take a level 2 in December 20, then the time is August 19. This was anyways earlier not allowed. Now they are allowing it, but the time is August 19. Same goes with level 3. If you want to take the level 3 in say May 21 or November 21. May 21 or November 21, you have to do that in October, before October 20th. But if you want to take level 3 in December 20, you have to do that by August 19th. All right. So please note, your June 21 exam is not going to happen. Your June 21 exam is not going to happen. Be it level 1, be it level 2, or be it level 3. I'm sorry, not February. Your June 21 exam of level 2 and level 3 is not going to happen. Level 1 anyways was not there. So level 2 June 21, level 3 June 21 have to re-register to either level 2 December 20 or level 2 May 21 or level 2 November 21. Sorry, August 21. All right. For this, you have time to August 19th, and for this, you have time to October 20th to do that. This was for level 2. Sorry, this was for level 2. So level 2, if you want to take level 2 December 20, your time till August 19 to do that. If you want to take a level 2 in May 21 or August 21, your time till October 20th to do that. For about level 3 guys, June 21 is not happening now. So level 3, you can take it in December 20. For that, your time till August 19th. If you want to take level 3 in May 21 or November 21, your time till October 20th for this. I hope it clarifies. If you are taking the level 1 in February 21, for some reason they are registered for level 1, re-registered for February 21, then you can take level 1 in December 20 if you want, and for that the time is August 19. If you want, you can take level 1 of February 21 as it is. If you want, you can take it February 21 as it is. In that case, you don't have to do anything. If you want, you can take May 21 also. For that, October 20th is the last date to re-register. I hope that clarifies. If you have any doubts, do raise your hand regarding only those guys who had re-registered themselves for June 21 or February 21. Yeah, Toshan, please ask your question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Toshan.
So actually, in for level 1 June 21, I wasn't eligible to give the exam.
Level 1 June 21 tha hi nahi. Level 1 May 21.
I wasn't. No. Sir, I was a re-registered student of June 20.
Okay.
So because of the graduation, I'm in the second year. So due to that, I wasn't eligible to give level 2 in June 21.
Okay.
So now I've got an option to give in August.
I think I should take this offline. I'll take it offline with you.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. And Shreya also, I'll take that offline maybe. Kailash, please ask your question. Kailash, please ask your question. All right. So Kailash is not able to speak. Fine. So this is about the, okay, 2 more hands have raised. Sana, you wanted to ask something? Okay, Ashwin, please ask your question.
Yes, sir. Although we are trying our best to study, so if we don't clear our December exam, will we be allowed to sit for May 21?
Yes, you will be. You'll be allowed to sit for May 21.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
But fees might be higher because early deadline might be over.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Sana, you wanted to ask something? You had raised hand, but now you're lower hand. Is it clear? No, you still have raised hand. Yes, Sana, please ask.
So if I re-register for December 20, so when will I be
registered already?
No, I have not registered. I'm like looking for December or Feb 21.
You were June 20 and not no, at this point you have not done anything yet. You have neither done December 20 registration nor for June 21. Yeah.
Yes. So I want to know the options, like if I do the registration for December 20, so for level 2 I'll be eligible in 2021.
May 21.
In May 21. Yeah. And if I go for Feb 21 for level 1,
August
then
21. Level 2 August 21.
Level 2 August 21 it will be.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Now, final category. I believe final category would be the people who are all fresh registration for level 1, level 2, level 3. Not just level 1, level 2, level 3. All right. So those guys who are freshly registered, I'm saying those guys who are freshly registered for level 1 December 20, please raise hand. Freshly registered for level 1 December 20. All right. So those who are freshly registered for level 1 December 20, you guys go ahead with level 1 December 20. Your option of going ahead with level 1 December 20. There could be possibility that if you are not chosen Mumbai as a center, there could be possibility that Mumbai center be reopened and you may be allowed to take exam in Mumbai on December 2020. If you want, then you can change your level 1 December 20 to level 1 February 21. I repeat, if you want, you can change your level 1 December to level 1 February 21, and as said for other category, your time to October 20 to do that. So by this date, anyways, it would be clear whether the exam of December 20 is happening or not. If it is happening, then you can take a level 1 December 20. and then go ahead. If you are taking a level 1 December 20, then you can go ahead and take your level 2 in May 21 or August 21. But as said earlier, August 21 would be a safer option than May 21. And in case you go for level 1 February 21, now it's gonna be level 2 possible in August 21. Earlier, the level 2 was directly in June 22. So that's a big booster for February 21. Instead of level 2 being June 22, level 2 is gonna happen in August 21. So that's a big booster. All right, so that's a major advantage that has happened for level 1 guys. So if you are taking a level 1, if you're taking a level 1 in December 20, so earlier it was possible to take level 2 in June 21 and then level 3 in June 22. This was the possibility in the previous timeline. Now, if you're taking the level 1 December 20, let's see what is the options that we have. The level 2 instead of June is going to happen in May 21 and August 21. So technically no change, but August 21 is a little better because you get more time to prepare. So I prefer August 21, and level 3 somewhere in 2022. I'll tell you which dates in 2022 later. So technically for December 22, it's a little booster with 2 months extra to prepare for level 2, which is a really awesome, amazing thing. For level 1 December 20 guys, it's an amazing thing that you're going to have a 2 months extra to prepare for your level 2. Unless you want to do it in May 21, which I will not advise to take a May 21 level 2. But if you want to take May 21, it's going to be very intense preparation from December to May. But safer would be December to August would be a quite good amount of time to prepare for a tougher level 2 exam. But for some reason, if the level 1 December 20 gets cancelled, or you do not want to take level 1 December 20 for some reason, then you have to take level 1 February 21, and from that date to level 2 August 21. Level 2 May 21 is not allowed for you guys and not possible also. For during this time, it's going to be a not actually even 6 months, slightly less than 6 months. So it's going to be challenging. I wouldn't say impossible, it's going to be challenging. So in this case, your level 2 preparation should be very intense, or maybe level 1 February ke pehle hi you can start your level 2 preparation. Jaise I already done that. On Saturday morning, we take level 2 equity lectures. So if you are level 1 February 21 in your mind, then maybe level 2 lectures you can start attending right now. But I would prefer level 1 December 20. That's my preference. Level 2 August 21. And then level 3 in the 2022. Some people I know whom I would be talking about, the level 1 batch, entire level 1 batch knows about that person who might be interested now. He's not eligible, but he might be interested in this option. Although this is allowed, but I wouldn't recommend this kind of option. All right. And level 1 February 21 guys, you have this option available. This is going to be challenging. Not going to be easy, but this is going to be challenging. All right. For those guys who have not yet registered for level 2, it's simple. For level 2, if you're not registered, now they're going to open the registrations for both exams. May 21, I think they would open it soon, and August 21. For level 2, May 21 or August 21. So May 21, they will open it soon, and August 21, they will open it maybe a little later. All right. And for level 3, same now. So they're going to open maybe May 21 and then maybe November 21 later on. That's for the fresh registration for level 3. All right. And now they have done away with the 3 deadlines. So now there will be 2 deadlines only. The early and the regular. So for example, if I talk about February 21 exam of level 1, okay, May 21 ka timeline ab tak aaya nahi hai. So I can talk about February 21 level 1. So early deadline is August 13th, which becomes really interesting now because some people might consider level 2 August 21. Earlier, I used to be completely against level 1 February. Now I'm in favor of level 1 February for level 2 August. By the way, so this was the early deadline, and the regular deadline was November 3. So there was no late deadline. I hope that clarifies. Any questions, do raise hand. I'll be glad to answer. So many questions. So 12 questions. I believe, I think quite common questions. Okay, so I'll enable Harsh to speak. Harsh, please ask your question. Harsh, please ask your question. All right, Harsh is not responding. Momita, please ask your question.
Hello.
Yeah, Momita.
Yeah, sir. So actually, I wanted to ask, like, I have registered for the December 20 exam, and like, if I want to re-register for the Feb 21, when can I start doing it? You said that the
October
last
20th,
date
you
is
have time till October 20th. They may open it tomorrow also. I don't know. They may open
okay
it tomorrow
because
also. They are aligned to October 20th. Don't worry, there will not be scarcity of centers, etc. Don't worry about it.
okay, sir, because actually it's not open yet, so I was just wondering.
Abhi to I just 2 hours pehle, it's just the announcement that just came right now. So don't worry, you will get Mumbai Center. Don't worry, for February 20th, you will get Mumbai Center. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. Vaibhav, please ask your question. Vaibhav Shanbhag, please ask your question. No, he's not asking. Karan Poplani, please ask your question. Karan Poplani, please ask your question. No, even he is not asking. What happened? Questions are over. Poonam Yadav, please ask your question. Yeah, Poonam. Poonam, your voice is not clear. So please ask your question in the chat section, or I'll enable it a little later. Shreya, please ask your question. So Shreya, question would be interesting. Shreya, eligibility criteria not right now. Eligibility criteria not right now. I'm saying in advance. Hriday, Shreya, sorry, not Hriday. Toshan, Shreya, eligibility criteria not right now.
Okay, sir. So actually, I haven't yet registered for my Feb or my December. And hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
So I haven't yet registered for either of them, and of course the eligibility criteria is there. So if I go for my Feb and then my level 2 August is possible for me, and if it
That's
is,
what I'm
then
saying. Right now I don't know the timeline. That's the reason I'm not taking the question. I know that you will be graduate by around June. वो भी guarantee नहीं है कि कब UGC का guideline आएगा. So right now I cannot take eligibility question because there's completely, it will be an airy if and but would be there. So right now we do not know when your third year exams are going to happen. We do not know August 21 level 2 ka timeline. So at this point of time, I cannot take eligibility criteria questions. I know you have that question, can I take level 2 August 21? So first, I will not know whether you'll be graduate by that time or not, because generally level the graduation results comes by around August. So if I go with the normal non-corona wala timeline, then TY ka results comes by August. So by that logic, you will not be eligible. But this time, agar corona ke वजह से, if they are gonna cancel semester 5 and if they're gonna do only sem 6, in that case, if you become graduate at that time when the level 2 August 21 registrations are open, then you can take level 2 August 21. So there's a lot of if and buts regarding the level 2 August 21 for TY guys.
Okay, and the uncertainty which is there about the graduation, okay, but now if I have an option for December and Feb, so my ideal choice should be Feb, right?
Yes. I had said earlier, it's cheaper. The simple answer is because it's cheaper.
Okay.
Because there's no point of December 20 when you are not sure about your level 2 August 21. Level 2 May 20 is anyway not there for TY students. For level 2, for TY students, you should be a graduate for taking the level 2 exam. So you aren't a graduate for May 21. August 21, you could be a graduate. I'm saying you could be a graduate in case the August 21 level 2 ka deadline is open and your result of graduation comes. So if there are so much ifs and buts, I believe, this is my personal, so I didn't want to say that, but I'll say, I believe level 2 August 21 is not going to be possible for TY guys. So in that case, if it is not possible, then it's better to take a level 1 February. Anyways, level 1 February was anyways better because level 1 February ke baad you can take level 2 August 21 anyways. But I believe TY guys will not be able to take level 2 August 21.
So then post August, you have to wait for the next exam date.
Next exam, which I believe is happening in February. I'm not sure. I'll just check it and I'll let you know. I think it's happening in February for 2022. 2022, the calendar, I'll just let you know. I think it's happening in February and August, and level 3 is happening in May and November. Just a second. It's February and can you just check it? I think level 2 is happening. I'll just check the level 2 ka things for the next year, 2020. Just give me a second. I'll just do that.
Sure.
2022. So in 2022, the level 2 is happening in February and August, and level 3 in May and November. So I was right. So in 2022, the level 2 can be taken in February. So TY guys, you can take level 2 in February 2022, which is little better than June 22. It was in June 22 earlier. Now you can take it in February 22. So in 2022, the level 2 happens in February and August, and level 3 happens in May and November. So for TY guys, the earliest you can take level 2 would be February 2022.
Okay, so like Feb 21 you have level 1, then 22 like 1 year gap, and then level 3.
And अगर वो surprise आता है कि if you are graduate at that time when the August 21 level 2 का registrations are still open, then you can take level 2 August 21.
Okay, but then it'll be a very panicky situation then.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Level 2 August 21 for TY guys is almost not possible. 99% not possible. 1% I'm just keeping in mind, अगर कुछ होता है and exams का result of TY comes little earlier, then level 2 August 21 would be possible. But most of the times, level 2 August 21 is not going to be possible for TY students. So level 2 would be in February 2022.
Okay, fine. I'm done.
Right?
Thank you.
Yes, Shreyans, please ask the question.
So I have not registered for. I'm thinking to register for Feb 21.
Okay.
So, sir, my exam of TY got over last week only. So, is it possible that I can register level 2 for August 2021?
Yeah, you can. You already are done with your TY exam, just waiting for the result. I mean,
yeah, sir.
Yeah. So in that case, right now, you can take level 1 December 20 or February 21, and then take level 2 August 21.
But then, sir, if I take February 2021, is it possible that I hectic नहीं होगा?
वही बोला ना, तो अभी level 2 अभी से चालू करना पड़ेगा. Level 2, level 1 February 21 and level 2 August 21 is a 6 months gap. It's possible to do level 2 in 6 months gap, but it will be very intense to do level 2 in 6 months gap. So in that case, you have to prepare level 2 little earlier. Right now, only you can start your preparation of level 2 because level 1 February के लिए तो काफी time है. So you can use this time to prepare maybe equity subject of level 2 right now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Guys, after your question gets answered, please lower the hands. So Shreya, if your question is answered, please lower the hand. Otherwise, keep it raised. I'll allow you to talk. Rishabh, please ask your question.
So do we know that when the date will be for May 21, or we don't know that yet?
Yeah, Rishabh, please ask.
Yeah, so I wanted to know when will the exam be in May 21 for level 2?
At the end of the May, because right now February ka exams are happening at the end of the February. So May exams would also happen at the end of the May mostly.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Just a second. Okay, just Pooja ma'am just made an announcement that she's not taking a level 1 and ethics lectures right now. She's going to take it tomorrow. So she said there are a lot of questions that you guys are asking, so it may take 10:30. So she said, okay, I'll take the lecture tomorrow for ethics. Anyways, Neha, please ask your question. So sorry to Pooja ma'am for this. It was unplanned. Yeah, Neha, please ask your question.
Hello.
Yeah, Neha.
So I want to ask about the payments. You were telling now for level 1, February 21. So I have registered, but I have not made the payment. I have.
You generated an invoice, right?
No, I didn't.
So I didn't get you. So you're registered.
I was filling the form, but at last when the payment came, I just stopped because we have the option till 13th now.
So you're not registered, no, as of now.
Yeah, so I was asking about the payment ka thing. Like
the payment, there are two methods. One is credit card and one is invoice. So invoice gives you 1 month extra period. So I'll just send you that. Have you seen my video regarding that?
No.
So I'll just ping me after this gets over. I'll send you the video what to do with the payments. There are two methods: wire transfer and invoice. I'm sorry, wire transfer and credit card.
Okay,
so
thank you.
Me, I'll send a video recording to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye. Take care. Yeah, Sanjay, please ask your question.
Hello, sir. So I've registered for December 20.
So my question is, if I postpone to Feb 21, and will I be still eligible for an early bird discount for
No
if
idea.
I
Right
want
now.
to
That
go
was
for
surely
August?
asked. I have no idea with that, because we don't have a timeline available right now. But mostly it's not gonna be August 21 ke liye, yes. Level 2 August 21 ke liye, yes. But level 2 May 21, I believe it will not be possible for early deadline. But let's wait for the timelines to come.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Jinil, please ask your question. Sanjay, please lower hand if it is done. Yeah. Jinil, please ask your question.
I have this question, like should I register for December 20 or Feb, because and I want to get it done as soon as possible with the CFN.
No, same hai actually. So as soon as possible hai, to level 1 December 20, level 2 May 21, level 3 November 21. That's
But uske saath parallel mein, sir, ACCA, I'm doing ACCA.
Yeah, I know, that's what I think. Considering that, it's not going to be possible to do it as soon as possible. So you can take level 1 in February 21, level 2 August 21, and level 3 in May 22.
May 22?
Yeah.
Okay. And sir, about the registration process, like regarding like how do I do it on the CFA website?
I just ping me. Just say I told to Neha, just ping me. I'll send you the video. I have already recorded a video how to do the registration.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Yeah. Take care. Yeah. Dishan, please ask your question.
Hello.
Yeah, Dishan.
So, sir, as you know, I have registered for February 21 exam.
You have to select your center, which I'll explain you.
Okay. And so, second thing I wanted to ask you that which is the in which month TY results come out generally?
Generally, they come out by around July or August only.
So, because at the time of registration of Feb 21 exam, they asked that expected graduation month.
You can put it August 21.
No, sir. At the time you told na that we can put June. That's why I put that June month.
You can put, no problem. वो expectation है, वो चलेगा, कोई problem नहीं उसमें.
वो ही पूछना. Okay.
कोई problem नहीं उसमें. Clear?
Yes.
And I'll talk about that exam center selection. Don't worry. I'll discuss it with you.
I'm just worried that it can't get filled then.
Sorry?
I'm just worried that it don't get filled early.
Don't worry. It won't get filled. Don't worry. But you can do it tomorrow. As of now, I've not explored that. I'll explore that and I'll get it done by tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. Sonali, please ask your question. Sonali, if you can hear me, please ask your question. Yes, Sonali. Sonali, you're not audible. Fine, I'll transfer it to someone. Sneha, please ask your question.
Yes, sir. As related to Shreya's question, if we don't graduate till August 21, then when should we begin our preparations for level 2? Because it is.
Whenever you have time, you can start preparation for level 2, but you can take level 2 in February 22. So maybe after your graduation gets done, at that time you can start your preparations. After your TY exam gets done, you can start your preparations for level 2 February 22.
Okay, but what if our results come early? Then
nahi hoga, trust me, nahi hoga. Mumbai United is not so well prepared to get your results before August 21. Not before August 21, I mean before registration for August 21. It's not going to happen.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Harsh, please ask your question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Harsh.
Am I audible? Sir, if I register for May 2021, that is for level 2, will I be able to give L3 in August 21?
No, it's not allowed. There is no L3 in August 21. L3 is in May and November.
So I will be eligible in for L3 in November. So by the end of 2021, I will be cleared with all 3 levels.
Yeah, perfect. That's the motivation. Level 1 December 20, level 2 May 21, level 3 November.
I have already cleared level 1.
All right, good. All right, good.
Yeah.
I was just thinking if someone can do that, that would be awesome. I mean, within 1 year, someone is clearing with a level 3 levels. Level 1 December 20, level 2 May 21, level 3 November. Anyone wants to try that? Anyone is here? Put that in the chat section who want to try this level 1 December 20, level 2 May 21, level 3 November 21. It will be a history. no one has done that 3 levels of level as CFA within 1 year. So Darshan is go up for it. Good. Harsh also. Good. So that's awesome. I mean, no one has done that. Even I have done that in 18 months. At that time, level 1 December 9, level 2 June 10, and level 3 June 11. So this is an awesome chance for some of you to show that you could do CFA in 11 months. December 20, May 21, and November 21. All right. It's going to be challenging, but yeah, if you're up for it. Krishna, please ask your question. Pooja ma'am is asking question. Aryan, are you there? Yeah, Aryan is here. The first person who came to my mind when I saw that was you. But unfortunately, you're not eligible for it. Feel sad. But you would have wanted to do that. I know, Aryan. Just a second, Harsh. Aryan, want to speak something? Aryan, want to speak something?
Yeah, actually, sir, when this came up today, I read your message. I was like, I just missed the opportunity. If it was
just to miss opportunity
possible, I would go for December 20. Yeah, I would go for December 20 and the fastest track.
Yeah, I knew it. Unfortunately, you're not eligible.
Actually.
Yeah. Anyways, take care. Harsh, please ask a question. Harsh, please ask a question. Okay, Harsh is not able to speak. Krishna, please ask a question. No, Krishna also not. Ritwich, please ask your question.
So do we have specific dates for the August 21 exam?
Right now we don't have dates except for February 21. We don't have dates for May, August, November, but it's generally going to be end of May, end of August, and end of November. Why am I saying that? Because February exams are happening at end of February. By that, I'm assuming May exams, August exam, and November exams may happen at end of the respective month. But let's wait for maybe some more days for CF Institute to clarify the exact dates. But it's going to happen in the period of 1 week. It's going to generally happen in the period of 1 week. Like GMAT, GRE exams happen similarly over here.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. Tanvi, please ask a question.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, sir, I've already registered for Feb 21, and I wanted to ask if anyhow I'm eligible for August 21, will it be possible? With the preparation
category, no? So I know that you're in 3rd year right now. So that's what I'm saying. It's not going to happen because your results of level 3 is not going to come. Sorry, your result of 3rd year is not going to come.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, most welcome. Isha, please ask a question. Isha, can you hear me? All right. No. Shen, please ask a question.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Yeah.
So actually, I want to ask that August 21 will be CBE based or the paper based?
CBE based. August. I mean, any exam in 2021 would be computer based.
So there will be MCQs only, or like some practical questions also.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything would be MCQ based for level 2.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Most welcome. Whose question? Kapil, please ask your question.
So if we take level 1 in December 20, then we can take level 2 in August 21, right?
Yeah, and May 21 also.
Okay. So and my Sem 6 exam got cancelled in March, and there's been no update regarding that. So I think this year we get they cancel the exam, so they don't know if they're gonna keep it also.
Correct.
So if these exams happen, it will happen this year only, according to you.
Correct.
So we'll be able to give level 2 in 21, right? That's
because yeah, you will be able to take level 2 May 21 or August 20 both exams.
Okay.
I was talking about the TY guys right now. I'm not talking about those guys who had already taken the exam. So Shreya, Shreya, Toshan, and Tanvi were those categories that they are in TY right now. I was not.
Okay.
Those who are in TI right now. Those who are confused whether they're graduate or not. I'm not talking about that category.
Okay, sir.
Because I think you were graduate 2 months back, then UGC came, then again you are graduate or not.
Exactly. So they haven't even told us if they're gonna like pass us or not. They're like they're still not sure if the exams will happen.
Correct. So, but yeah, you are eligible for level 2. You will be eligible for level 2 May 21 also and August 21 also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Take care. Sana, please ask your question.
Yeah, sir. I wanted to ask, like, if I take level 1 December 20, so will I be eligible for August 21 and for level 2?
Yes, you are eligible for level 2 May 21 also if you take level 1 December 20.
Because on that website link, it is only showing as May 21. If we pass,
I mean, earliest. They're saying earliest.
Earliest.
You're eligible for level 2 May 20, and then you're eligible for any exam after that also. If you're taking level 1 December 20, you can take level 2 May 21, August 21, or next year, 2022.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Isha, if you can listen to me, you can ask me your question. No, I believe so. Shreya, okay, ask your question, Shreya.
Yes, sir. Just one basic question, that the Feb registration deadline is still August 19 only, August 13 only, right?
13th August, yeah, 13th August.
Okay, and if I go for the registration and if I generate an invoice, when I
12th September.
when I generate the invoice, that time my center gets booked, or when I actually make the payment?
No, at that time only. So when you generate an invoice, at that time only your center gets locked, and you can make the payment for the next 30 days.
Okay. So now if I register, my center will get locked, right?
Yeah, correct. Okay. But abhi to February 21, yeah, Mumbai center is there available. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Rishabh, please ask a question. Rishabh, please ask your question. No, so okay. Kapil, you have a question to ask still? If you have a question to ask, do let me know. All right, fine. So I believe we are done because guy with the name M, I have enabled your talk. If your question, please ask. Person with the name M. Fine. So I'm going to just try last. Okay, so Nikita has a question. I think Nikita just raised hand. Yeah, Nikita, ask your question, please.
Sir, I have not re-registered for December yet. But I directly want to register for the May attempt level 2.
Yeah.
But when I tried registering in the evening, that I couldn't see the option.
So you won't know. You won't be able to see that immediately. You'll be able to see that maybe in 2-3 days. You have time till 20th October to go for May 21.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. Shivani, please ask your question.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
No problem.
Just one basic one. So, because the level 2 was in June 2021, we have started with the lectures of equity. So, are you going to stop it now?
No,
because we are getting
I'm going
too
to continue
extra.
with that because there will be some guys who want to take a level 2 May 21. So for them, I'm going to continue with level 2 equity. Then ask the students how many are interested for level 2 May 21, and then depending on take a call. But I'm going to complete equity for sure.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Krishna, please ask a question if you can hear. I tried that earlier, but I think it's a network issue. Isha, I'm trying for the last time, Isha. Let's see it works out. No, it's not working out. Yeah, Isha, I think you are audible now. No, but you're not audible. Okay, Krishna, please ask your question. No, I'm not able to click on the allow for talk. Rishabh, you want to ask something?
So, if we give the level 2 exam in May 21, then when can we give the level 3 exam? What are the
It will
options
take
for
level
that?
2
November
May 21,
and
no? Level 3 November 21.
November 21.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
M Jen, I think Mohit Jen is asking, is level 3 exam definitely gonna happen in December? It's gonna definitely happen in December if Corona definitely goes. Alright, Hruday, please ask your question.
So earlier the deadline to re-register for December 20 or Feb 21 was in September.
9.
So now it's been
September 9. They have changed it to August 19 now.
so the September date has been completely eliminated.
Yeah, it's eliminated. So now September 9 is eliminated. It's August 19 now.
Okay.
Gonna go for December 20. It's gonna be August 9. August 19. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right. Sorry. Just a second. I think I gave option for Sonali to talk by mistake. All right. I believe we are done. I'll just try if M guy wants to ask something. Yeah. You are on.
Hello, sir.
What's your good name?
Hello,
Please?
sir. So Manas here.
Hi, Manas. Yeah.
So basically, I've registered for the L2 December. So will I have to re-register for it or?
You don't. If you want to continue with level 2 December 20, you don't have to do anything. You have to continue preparation for level 2 December 20 as it is.
Okay. So the test location centers can be changed, right? Accordingly.
Yeah, it can be. You already got Mumbai, or you want to take it to Mumbai?
Yeah. So actually, I'm flying abroad in the month of November itself.
You can change it. You are allowed to change your test centers.
And I'll have my exam on like Saturday 5th, right? If I'm flying abroad, then.
I'm a little confused there. I think it's 5th or 6th. I'm slightly confused. Either it's 5th or 6th. I'll just confirm and let you know.
Okay, sir. Not an issue.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Sonali, you have a question to ask? Please ask. Yeah, Sonali. You are not audible. Please check if you are on mute, Sonali. Sonali, you are not audible still. Fine, I'll take it separately with you, Sonali. All right, guys. So I hope it clarified. If you are gonna take December exam, continue your preparation to December exam. No change in the study pattern at all. The only booster is level 1 December 20, level 2 May 21, level 3 November 21. That's a booster for level 1 December 20, guys. And another booster for level 1 February, guys, came, and that is level 1 February 21. Possible was level 2 June 22. Now it's possible to take level 2 August 21 also. All right. So that's the booster that has been, that's a summary of what has been done by CFA Institute, and they have done it for good. So that is what was the conclusion. I hope all your questions were answered.